Hello everyone and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an Roblox issue. So the voice chat in our Roblox is not working and we're gonna fix this. So if you are also having the same, then watch this video till end. So first of all, make sure to check whether your audio input is working properly or not. And for that, open audio settings, open this microphone option. You can test your microphone, and also this fluctuation shows that your microphone is working properly. Now update Roblox and enable voice chat. To enable voice chat, open settings, go to privacy, enable this option, check this box and click on enable. Also make sure to check input and output device. And for that, open in-game settings, simply match input and output device. If this method does not work, then simply contact customer support of Roblox. These were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.